I don't know where you got the idea that Chinese people prefer to communicate with males for business, because in my experience, actually the opposite is true. So Chinese culture is extremely hierarchical, so much more so than Australian culture. So it is extremely normal for a female to be doing the negotiations and the product sourcing, etc., for a company. That's normal. In fact, that's what's expected. It's not expected that the CEO, which traditionally in Chinese culture would definitely be male, it's not expected that the CEO of the business would also be product sourcing. So by being female, you're actually at an advantage because you're playing into traditional Chinese stereotypes. So it's not at all the case that you're disadvantaged by being female at all. Quite the contrary, it's what they expect. So don't let that faze you at all, Jeanette. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.